again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best sewage pump in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. ECOFLO RSE50W Sewage Pump. ECOFLO Products offers an economically priced automatic sewage pump. It can handle 2-inch waste solids with no problems, but it does not have a grinding function to handle other solids. This submersible pump is advertised as having a 20-foot long power cord, a feature that may be a selling point if your situation requires the extra length. To our dismay, the shipped unit was only equipped with a 10-foot power cable. If you purchase this pump expecting it to cover a distance over 10 feet, you'll be very unpleasantly surprised. The low price mirrors the lower-end quality, and this pump should only be expected to survive a few years of hard use. Number 9. Aquar 1/2 HP Sewage Ejector Pump. At only 80 GPM of water flow, this 0.5 horsepower pump isn't the most powerful on our list. It is able to pass 2-inch solids but does not feature grinding capabilities. With a maximum head of 27 feet, this pump definitely creates a respectable vertical lift. Combine that with the affordable price and it easily makes its way onto our top 10 list. With a cast iron volute built durable to protect the pump for long life operation, Aqua shows confidence in their product by backing it up with a 2-year warranty. Installation is simple with a 10-foot power cord plugging into standard 115V electric. It is recommended to test the float switch before installing. The first one came with a faulty switch which wasn't noticed until after installation. Besides this, pumps have also been known to arrive DOA for other reasons. Luckily, Aqua was good about sending out a replacement pump quickly since it's covered by their warranty. Number 8. WaterAce WA50 RSWW Sewage Pump. Constructed from cast iron and thermoplastic, this sewage pump from WaterAce is built durable for a long life. Although it's not a grinder pump, it is able to move 2-inch solids like our number 1 pick, but a flow rate of only 95 GPM holds it back. In its defense, this pump is at a much lower price point, which is why it makes our pick for best sewage pump for the money. When it comes to installation, this pump is quick and easy. A 20-foot power cord is attached to a 3-prong plug that connects to a standard 110V outlet. If anything will go wrong with this pump, it would be the float ball getting stuck. A minor fix that's covered under the 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 7. Rainbow 1/2 HP Cast Iron Submersible Sewage Pump. With a max flow rate of 100 gallons per minute and sturdy construction, the Rainbow is a suitable choice for most sewage basins and can pump to a max height of 20 feet. In addition to a high flow rate, it's well built with a cast iron housing and a discharge that's capable of handling solids up to 2 inches in diameter. It's also smaller than other sewage pumps at 16 inches high and 10 inches wide. A float switch cuts power when the water level is below 11 inches and turns the pump on when sewage reaches a height of 21 inches. The float switch can also be adjusted to alter when it turns off and on. Number 6. Hallmark Industries MA0387X9 Sewage Pump. With a max flow rate of 120 gallons per minute and the ability to pump water to a max height of nearly 50 feet, this sewage pump from Hallmark Industries is well suited for heavy-duty applications. Unlike other sewage pumps that have 1/2 horsepower motors, this model is equipped with a full 1 horsepower pump. The pump is also well constructed to handle bigger jobs, thanks to a cast iron impeller that can crush solids down to small sizes and a motor that's protected by a carbon ceramic and stainless steel mechanical seal. In addition to being one of the more powerful sewage pumps on the market, it's also one of the larger models at 20 inches tall and nearly 9 inches long, making it suitable for larger sewage basins. Number 5. Little Giant LG SEW50 SA 1/2 HP Sewage Pump. While most sewage pumps are made from durable materials, few match the sturdy construction of this model from Little Giant. This pump is made from heavy cast iron, giving it a total weight of more than 42 pounds, allowing it to endure the harsh conditions of life as a sewage pump. It also has a high flow rate to go with that heavy-duty construction, pumping out a maximum of 120 gallons per minute. A cutoff switch with a large float turns on when water levels hit 10 to 12 inches and shuts off when water levels drop between 6 and 8 inches to protect the motor. Wide set feet ensure the pump stays upright while it's working, and its clog-resistant design makes it capable of passing solids up to 2 inches in diameter. Number 4. Liberty Pumps LE51 ALE50 Series Sewage Pump. Solid cast iron construction and a powerful motor make this model from Liberty one of the more powerful models on the market. Its 1/2 horsepower motor pumps out 160 gallons per minute to a height of 5 feet. A float switch turns on the pump when the water level is between 12 inches and 16 inches and turns it off when it falls below 6 inches from the bottom of the basin, while its impeller and discharge can handle solids up to 2 inches in diameter. This model also features a quick connect design with the power cord, which allows the user to replace the cord if worn without having to rewire the unit. The pump housing has a powder coat finish, which protects the pump from rust and corrosion. This pump is comparable in size to other sewage pumps at 11.5 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 16 inches high. Number 3. Superior Pump 1/2 horsepower cast iron sewage pump. Durable construction and a high output make this sewage pump a worthy option. This 1/2 horsepower pump will move a respectable 4,800 gallons per hour at even height with an impressive maximum vertical height of 25 feet. And while it may not have the same flow rate as higher-end pumps, this model impresses with the quality of its construction. It features cast iron construction for durability and a black coating that protects the housing from rust and corrosion. The cast aluminum impeller is stronger than the plastic impellers that other models use, making it better able to grind through potential clogs while also lasting longer. This pump, which can handle solids up to 2 inches in diameter, is average in size at 9.75 inches long, 16.75 inches high, and 9 inches wide. Number 2. Waynar PP50 Cast Iron Sewage Pump. With its durable construction and large intake, this sewage pump is well suited for nasty conditions. The 1/2 horsepower motor is capable of moving up to 103 gallons of water per minute at 5 feet of head. The 2-inch discharge fits standard plumbing and produces enough suction to handle solids up to 2 inches in diameter. A wide base and heavy cast iron construction, it weighs 21 pounds, keeps this pump upright while allowing it to endure harsh conditions. A large float switch automatically shuts off the pump when the water level drops to 7.5 inches to prevent burning out the pump motor. At 14 inches tall, 9.5 inches wide, and 6 inches deep, this pump is suitable for use in sewage basins as small as 18 inches in diameter. Number 1. Zoller 2670001 Wastemate Sewage Pump. This model, from one of the oldest names in sewage pumps, may be an investment, but a durable build and high-performance motor make it worth it. The cast iron construction gives this pump a confidence-inspiring, heavy-duty feel right out of the box. It's equipped with a non-clogging impeller that easily passes solid waste. A 1/2 horsepower motor has a flow rate of 128 gallons per minute at a height of 5 feet and will pump out waste to a maximum height of 21.5 feet if needed. Its discharge valve will pass solids up to 2 inches in diameter. A float switch automatically turns the pump off and on, depending on the water level. This model also includes an automatic shutoff if the pump runs dry, preventing damage. The Zoller 2670001 is 11 inches long, 13.6 inches wide, and 16 inches high.